Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This is a Genmark g-rex3 series robot used in a semiconductor plant. This video shows our final test after a repair and rebuild, where we are exercising all the features and axes. The g-rex3 addresses all current technical specifications for standard payloads of 300mm and 400mm wafer transport, and can be found in a number of semiconductor applications. This tool came to us from one of the many semiconductor plants we work with, and had water damage, limiting its functionality. We did a full breakdown and rebuild on both the robot and its mated controller to make sure both were in working condition. At ERD, we have decades of experience in robot repair, primarily ones used for semicon tools, but we've also worked on heavy-duty systems for vehicle manufacturing too. So if you have a robotic system or part that needs service, please contact now for a quote.